Good afternoon, all. Good afternoon. Today we are going to learn the topic of quick analysis. Quick analysis. Quick analysis. Sir, what is the meaning of this term and why it is known by the name of quick analysis? Sir, we can analyze some. Is one of the most useful, or we can say it's one of the most efficient tool in Excel, where from we can go through or we can check some of the most effective or efficient options in MS Excel. This is, we can say, it's like a type of shortcut actually, we can say, where from we can go through some of the most effective or some useful tools in MS Excel that we have already learned. What are those? And the point is that after selecting the database, what we see, sir, there we see like this one. It is showing a checkbox. It is showing checkbox here, and it is showing as quick analysis. And sir, there it is showing a shortcut key as Ctrl plus Q. Ctrl plus Q. Here it is written, use the quick analysis tool to quickly and easily analyze your data with some of Excel's most useful tools such as charts, color coding and formulas. Right? Ctrl plus Q. Sir, एक बार देख लेते हैं. We are pressing Ctrl plus Q. After pressing this Ctrl plus Q, so what we are seeing, there are 5 headings most important. One is the formatting, one is the chart, other one is the totals, the other one is the tables, and the last one is the spark lines. Right? So if we go to formatting means there are different types of formatting. That actually this is known by the name of conditional formatting that we have already gone through. Right? So one was in chapter 5.4, that was known by the name of basic conditional formatting, and in 5.12 we have gone through advanced conditional formatting. So this is an example or sample of conditional formatting. These are the different samples: data bars, color scales, icon sets, greater than any. If you are clicking on this part, it will be giving some figure actually. So it will be asking that greater than. This is top 10. Sir, if you are going for charts, these are the different types of charts that we have also gone through. Simple chart format, column chart. Achha, this is the clustered bar chart, this is scatter, this is stacked column. Some samples are given for to go through these things in a very faster way. That is why it is known by the name of quick analysis. That's why the name quick analysis. Totals. This is one of the most important aspects or parts of this thing, totals. How is it? If you are selecting going for sum, say, it is showing you the totals, right? Achha, sir, this is showing you the total actually column wise. Average, showing all the averages of the figures column wise. Sir, count. 11 figures are there, data are there. Sir, percentage. Running total. Sir, what is this? Running total. The point is that, sir, it is actually calculating the first column, right? Then it is totaling this amount with the rest column. That means 3100 plus the second column. That means when we are seeing this 20572, this 20572 is the summation of all the figures, last of all. So that is the running total part. Correct? Going for the row-wise sum, row-wise summation. That is the sigma, row-wise summation. Tables. Right? So we have gone through table. We know the shortcut key of creating the table. Do we remember the shortcut key of creating the table? 2 shortcut keys were there. One is Ctrl plus T and the other one was Ctrl plus L. Ctrl plus L. So there we can go for the creation of table, say this one, right? And I have clicked on table and it has been converted into a table. So again, pressing Ctrl plus Q, going to tables. So there it is showing as pivot table. Pivot table, so we can go for pivot table also. We know the shortcut key of pivot table. Converting a database into a pivot table, what was the shortcut key? Alt plus N plus V. Alt plus N plus V. That was the shortcut key of pivot table. So another option is there, spark lines. Sir, what is spark line? Now sir, there we were in the second option of chart, right? We were second option in the chart. What we were seeing, sir, we were seeing key whatever the database is, it is showing a graphical representation. It's showing a graphical or a pictorial or diagrammatic representation of the entire database. Now, I want to view that graphical or the pictorial representation, but sir, in a particular cell. In a particular cell, the solution is via sparkline, and this will be done row-wise, not the entire database. It will be showing the figures of the row-wise. Row-wise figures will be showing, sir. There are three types of sparklines. Now, sir, there is the definition of sparkline. It is mentioned here. Sparklines are mini charts. Sparklines are mini charts placed in single cells. Sparklines are mini charts placed in single cells. How is it? You are selecting any particular type. There are three types. One is line, other one is the column, and other one is the windows. Three parts are there. This is the line part. This is column. And the third one is the windows, right? So we have gone through line and column. That is okay, sir. We can view the differences. There you can see, right? It is moving upside down. Line is also, sir, it is moving upside down. Chalo, sir, that's okay. But the point is windows. Sir, in windows, all the data are showing in a same structure. There was a condition for win-oblique loss. What was the condition? To satisfy that condition only, we can view the peculiarity or the characteristic of win-oblique loss. What was the condition? Any data must have a negative value. Absolutely, data must have a negative value. That means, say for example, I'm here, sir. I'm double clicking on this part. Say giving minus now, sir, I am selecting the database, and again I am pressing Ctrl plus Q. Again I am pressing Ctrl plus Q, and I am going to sparklines, and there I am going to win-oblique loss. Right? Win-oblique loss. Now, sir, see the effect. It is showing a negative mark, right? It is now, sir, it is showing a negative mark. That means that is the peculiarity or the characteristic of win-oblique loss. That means, sir, in short, now if we go for summary, in short, we can say that this is one of the most effective tool or the medium, that is Ctrl plus Q by the name of quick analysis, from where we can go for these 5 options. One is the condition formatting, other one is the charts, other one is the totals, the fourth one is the tables, and the fifth one is the sparklines. Right? Is it okay? Any questions relating to this part? Is it okay for all? Okay, na? Chalo, sir. Thank you all. Thank you for attending the session. Thank you, sir.